speed.
Here we go. 50 feet. Come on, give me a speed.
We need the speed.
It's the dust. I'm not getting a speed.
Okay, we're just going for it.
I can't get it with the dust.
Oh! Oh!
Hit the brakes, Joey. Hit
I
the
got the
brakes.
brakes on.
Joseph!
That was awesome.
Eat that, everyone! Woo!
It doesn't work. You know what? It doesn't work in snow. I didn't realize it was a kick-up.
That's awesome,
I've
Joseph.
been a lot faster than 45. When I heard no speed, I was like, faster is better.
Oh, man.
Oh! No. When you get up there, make sure.
Go with him. Ride with him.
Here, let me come with you.
Here we go!
So all the power's been cut.
All right.
But if you guys see here,
Disconnect the battery?
Holy
the battery's been
really?
disconnected.
Oh.
It's all been cut.
I got a fiberglass head.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Who's got a tape measure?
Oh yeah.
So you see what he's saying about the